Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, I finished up the Gundam Greep and that video's up, and I finished up the Murder Egg GOG for the Frosted Snow Discord group build, and now I'm going to move on to the GQuuuuuux Hambrabi ORX-139 Hambrabi GQ for Gundam Quacks. Yeah, whatever. GQuuuuuux, however you want to say it. I still think Quacks is funny. So, anyways, I was looking forward to this. This kit looks really awesome. I'm a big fan of the weird Xeon designs that were in like Zeta and all of that type of stuff. And this one here, I thought was a really cool redesign of it for GQuuuuuux. So, anyways, you know, the art on the front is really cool. You have the Psycho Gundam in the back there too, which is really awesome. And you have this transformed. This is a transforming mech. Let me see if I can pull the camera up. I'm at my new desk, by the way. On new workstation on this side, and I will do a tour as soon as I get everything all set up and together. But anyways, let's take a look at the side of the box. Got a nice cool pose over here. It's got this weapon that turns into like a beam sight. It does transform, and it has the whip thing there. It looks like it comes with 2 sets of hands. Looks like there's open hand for both sides there maybe, and closed hands, and yeah, the gun that turns into the scythe with the scythe effect, and the whip thing. Also, the mono eye on the head is movable, it says. So, alright, take a look at the box, or the side of the box here, and it's that same art from the front, just turned the other way. This tells you about the kit. Here it is, Hambrabi. And all that information, and now we have it going this way, which is hard to see because of my camera angle. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up, take a look at what's in the box. Well, I think this setup's going to work a lot nicer here because I have more room for things. So, let's see. Here's the manual. I have that same box art on the front. It has the pilot information. There is all the information there. If you want to pause the video, you can read it. It is in Japanese and English. And let's see. Parts list looks like 2, 3, 4. It doesn't look like very many runners. And it looks like the sticker is only going to be the eye. So that's actually pretty cool. Alright, this is a color page, and we go into another color page. And it's the head, and then goes into the chest, and arms, legs, all that fun stuff, the backpack. And yeah, it's just a basic manual. Pretty much. There's nothing real special in it, but on the back we have some really nice pictures of the kit. That looks like it may have been a fully painted kit because I think I see panel lining on there. And yeah, it shows you the whip, and it comes with the wire for the whip, how the eye moves, and some poses. The gun turns into the scythe and transforming. And here are the colors that are used if you are a painter and want to paint this kit, or just interested in one of the colors. There they are in Japanese and English, and Mr. Color paints will match up to those. Alright, we'll put that over there. Let's see. We have in each bag. There is the eye sticker. Just a purple sticker. We'll stick you over there. And we have one runner here. It's got I don't know if this is, I think this is the clear. It's kind of a murky clear color, and it's kind of nice. It's kind of cool. It looks like it actually has some, like, I don't know, almost some silver, like, in the plastic, like, just speckled through it, but that's actually pretty nice. Anyways, it has this color here. It's a reddish, I don't know what you call it, orangish. You have the red, and you have a dark blue, and you have a green on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 colors on this runner here. Alright, and then we have an all blue runner here. It's a pretty nice color of blue. Not too bad. And silver. This is injection molded silver. It isn't plated or anything like that. That's pretty nice. So we're up to 3 runners right now. And we have 2 more runners here. This one here is also another silver injected. And here are the hands. They're kind of an open claw-looking hand. Kind of nice. And the holding hands. And a darker blue. And the last bag has another one of the... It's a duplicate runner. It's a B2 runner. They're both that off blue. And this here has some duplicate parts on it too. And it is in that darker blue. Alright, so this doesn't look like it's going to be a big, huge kit to put together, but I think it'll be fun build. I'll get it all built up here for you, and, you know, do another little video on it for you. After this one, right, let's see, what's this? This is that scythe blade. I believe this is UV reactive. Give me a second, let me get my light. Turn this out. It is kind of UV reactive. It does light up. It's pretty cool. Alright. Turn that light back on over here. We'll turn my flashlight off. And yeah. So that's going to be pretty much everything in the box here. And it's not a lot of runners, but it's enough to build the kit apparently. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 runners if you count this, and a sticker. So anyways, I think this is going to be a fun build. I will get it all built up. I'll get it up on a stand. We'll get it going around the turntable, and we'll talk about it in the next video. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that is a subscriber and has stuck with me on my channel. I know my content is short lately, but I want to start working on some longer videos. I want to do a little room tour once I get everything all set up. I'm still in the middle of that process. And yeah, I basically the desk that I'm on here, it's an L shape, so I actually have what you're seeing here and a whole nother side that I want to split, and I want to do like like high grades on one side and master grades on another, and then on another I have my other benches. I want to do like perfect grade on that one, like kind of try and keep it going. Maybe I can get 2 or 3 kits going at the same time and get more videos out for you guys. So that's my plan. But alright, well, thank you all for checking this video out. I know it's kind of short again, but I've been busy with my parents and things like that. People that have been here know my dad has cancer, so There's a lot of appointments with that, and my mom hasn't been feeling too great either lately, so getting kind of worried about her and her heart. So a lot of things going on in my life, but I'm here to make videos for you guys too, and I enjoy doing that, so I'm going to keep doing that, and I hope you guys all stay with me for my journey. Thank you all for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber and you like my content, or you like my channel, or just want to help me out, go down below, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification and click all so you get notified every time I make a video and publish one. And hopefully sometime soon I can figure out a way to get some live streams going, because I'm working on setting that up on the other side of the room. So, alright, thank you all for being here and watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Have a good day.